weapons, the volunteers work to improve their agility. Charlotte...
The National Weather Service in Miami has extended the flash flood warning for eastern Broward County in southeast Florida until midnight. At 8:55 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar showed a large swath of moderate to heavy rain and thunderstorms over into the west of Broward County. These thunderstorms will continue moving east into metropolitan Broward County through midnight. Radar estimates and rain gauges indicate 8 to 12 inches of rain has fallen across the warned area, and additional rainfall will cause the flood threat to continue through the evening. Broward County Fire Rescue reported that most roadways across eastern Broward County were flooded. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through areas where the water covers the roadway. The water may obscure deep canals or ponds. Please avoid venturing out on the road tonight unless it is an emergency.